Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer audit evidence using Dropbox for tax defense. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Dropbox account by visiting Dropbox.com or launching the Dropbox app on your device. Sign in using your email and password. If you do not have an account, create one by selecting the sign up option and following the prompts. Once signed in, navigate to the folder where you want to upload your audit evidence. To create a new folder, click on the New Folder button and name it appropriately for easy identification. Locate the documents or files you need to transfer on your device. Select the files you want to upload. To upload, click on the Upload button within your chosen folder. You can either drag and drop the files into the Dropbox window or click Choose Files to browse your device. Wait for the files to upload completely. Once uploaded, ensure each file appears in your Dropbox folder. Next, select the uploaded files you wish to share for tax defense purposes. Click on the Share button that appears after selection. Enter the email addresses of the recipients who need access to the files. Add a message if necessary to provide context about the shared documents. Set the appropriate permissions to either allow editing or view-only access. Click the Send button to share the files. Verify the recipients receive an email notification about the shared files. Instruct them to follow the link in the email to access the documents directly. For additional security, consider setting an expiration date for the link access. You can also create a folder with shared access if multiple files will be collaboratively reviewed. Remember to regularly check your Dropbox for any needed updates or added files. Now you are equipped to transfer audit evidence using Dropbox effectively. This method ensures secure and efficient sharing of essential documents during tax defense. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.